Hello guys, today we say about Polkadot. What is Polkadot? Polkadot is a software that seeks to incentivize a global network of computers to operate a blockchain on top of which users can launch and operate their own blockchains. In this way, Polkadot is one of a number of competing blockchains aiming to grow an ecosystem of cryptocurrencies. Other notable examples of which include Ethereum, Cosmos, and ROC. However, Polkadot, launched in 2020 years, is among the newest, and it introduced a number of novel technical features toward its ambitious goal. To begin, Polkadot is designed to operate two types of blockchains: a main network, called a relay chain, where transactions are permanent, and user-created networks, called parachains. Parachains can be customized for any number of uses and feed into the main blockchain so that parachain transactions benefit from the same security of the main chain. Which this design, the Polkadot team contents transactions can be kept secure and accurate using only the computing resource required to run the main chain. Users source gain the added benefit of being able to customize many parachains for many different uses. The Polkadot team believes this design will let its users perform transactions more privately and efficiently, creating blockchains that don't disclose user data to the public network or that otherwise process a greater number of transactions. Users seeking to stay contact on their project card development status can follow the How does Polkadot work? The Polkadot network allows for the creation of three types of blockchains: the relay chain, the main Polkadot blockchain. This network is where transactions are finalized. To a great speed, the relay chain separates the addition of new transactions from the act of validations shows transactions. The relay chain, to keep its network in agreement about the state of the system, the Polkadot relay chain uses a variance on proof of stake consensus called nomination proof of stake. This system allows anyone who stakes DOT by looking the cryptocurrency in a special contract to perform one or more of the following roles necessary to its operations. Validators validate data in parachain blocks. They also are typical in consensus and work on proposed change to the network. Nominators search the relay chain by selecting trustworthy validators. Nominators delegate their staked DOT tokens to validators and search allog their votes to them. Collators nodes run that store a full history for each parachain and aggregate parachain transactions data into blocks for additional to the real chain. Fishermen monitor the Polkadot network and report bad behavior to validators. Users who stake DOT and perform these roles are also eligible to receive DOT rewards. Polkadot governs the types of Polkadot users can influence the software's development. What makes Polkadot different than Ethereum? Given they share a high-profile founder, there has been much, especially about what makes Polkadot different from Ethereum. Both network operations and main blockchain where transactions are finalized and allow for the creation of many smaller blockchains that leverage its resources. Both technologies also use staking instead of mining as a means of keeping the network is sound. Research is ongoing on how transactions between the networks could be made interoperable. Parity, for example, has developed technology designed for users who may wish to deploy applications leveraging Ethereum's code and community, but that would run on Polkadot. Lastly, developers can use Polkadot's development framework to simulate a copy of the Ethereum blockchain that can be used in their own custom blockchain decisions. Okay guys, bye bye.